watch out. My boy Breezy coming in clutch. Hot chocolates for the boys.
And
Mechanic in the back.
Too.
And plates. Watch out. You know why? VIP customer service. Watch out. Let's see another shop do this shit. Boom. Boom. Little custom grind action. Breezy performance. Team SPT también. You already know.
Got Mr. Steal Your Girl himself right there, aka Steven. But so a quick update, guys. I was in Dallas tuning. My truck lifter collapsed, so I had to drive it. Well, I drove it. I didn't have to, but I drove the motherfucker over here. There's the Yonker over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the 4-door. Yeah, that one's mine, the slow one. So a lifter collapsed. Called my boy Ryan. You know, told him, hey, you know, this shit happened. What can you get me? He's like, get you that custom grind. Ordered it. Got it here the next day. Now we just need to take the truck back there and install it. But I had done some updates on that truck, which was some Circle D triple disc gears, posi unit. Never got to take the truck to the track to get some times, but shit, I wanted to. But now that shit happened with the lifter, now we're gonna cam it and see when I take it to the track to go get some times with the cam and everything else that it has now. But once we do all that, I'll have some footage so I can load it to you guys and you guys can check it out, see how slower this truck goes, and we'll see what happens after that. Because we you either go home, or you go big, or you go home. But I'll keep you guys posted. Oh, what's going on here? Just a couple of stock gears going in. Some new 342s. The saw that was taken out for my truck, replacing it with one of those over there. It's a little baby saw. Got my buddy Ryan here. My buddy Ryan putting some stock. Oh, that's a little big there. Some stock Yukon, stock gears. All right, guys. So as you can see, it's dark outside. We just got back, or I just got here to check on my truck. It's dark. My boy Ryan over there, he what's up, dog?
What's up, dog?
He staying late. He's like, hey, you know what, you're my boy Breezy, I got you, I'll stay late for you. So I came to check it out and see what's going on. Oh, dang.
Just a little
Look at them springs.
That's about it. Nothing too crazy.
And push rods going in. I like them springs, dude. See, where's my phone? Damn, look at them springs. They clean. Those springs. So any difficulties? Oh shit, I think I just like your shit. I don't know what the fuck I dropped.
Oh, you know, just
Any difficulties with this shit? Did my truck give you or anything?
yeah, just welded headers. Note out there for you guys: do not cheap out. Get headers and white pipe. Don't weld your headers to your exhaust. Just a little FYI.
He's getting a little mad at me, guys, because You know, he's like, if it was anybody else, he would cut him. You know, so he could work around the heads and all that. He's like, you're my boy, so I won't cut the the heads. I mean the headers. That he got welded there. I was like, cool. He said it was a pain in the ass. That's what he's saying. You know, don't weld them. I wanted to be cheap. I didn't want to buy the whole white pipe.
This is what you got to do when putting headers on the. You gotta pry this shit to hold headers to torque down head bolts. That's what I'm saying.
Shit, my bad, dog. My bad. It looks ugly when it's torn apart, but hopefully with this little cam, I won't lie to you guys, it's gonna be a stage 4 Texas speed cam. I know I had said last time it was a stage 1, but it's a stage 4 Texas speed for these trucks. Other couple adjustments but on the cam, but other than that, it's pretty much like a stage. This is stage 4, and just changed a couple things around on the specs to it could fit my setup that I'm gonna do, which will probably be just a little 100 shot of nitrous, maybe 150. Or what do you think?
I'm gonna say we spray down the house, baby. You know the way I roll.
I know you're already saying 200, but
that's the way I roll. If it's anything less than 175, just keep it stock.
So yeah, so I got this guy peer pressuring me, you know, to get throw in a 200 shot with this cam on this truck, but we'll see. Maybe, I don't know yet. So hopefully later on we'll put this thing together, probably finish it up tonight. My other boy, Mr. Still Your Girl, aka Steven, he took my damn keys. You know, he took my keys thinking I guess they were his. So giving my boy Ryan here, Mr. Big Sexy, aka Big Sexy, you know, even though he finishes it, I won't even be able to tune it pretty much because we haven't got the keys. So we'll probably be till tomorrow morning, and then get it going, and hopefully get a idle video for you guys. And then hopefully later on the following day, today's Thursday, so trying to get it up and running tomorrow, so it could I could tune it tomorrow, tune the tweaks, whatever I need to do, and get it ready for hopefully Saturday, which is going to be here it's going to have an event called Truck Wars in Edinburgh, EMP. So I'm trying to get it ready for that, and to see have a couple of people that want to run me, a couple of people that I want to run, but I'm scared. I was telling my boy Ryan that I'm scared because I still have for some of you Gen 5 people that have these trucks, y'all know about the drive shafts, of course. Unfortunately, my broke ass, or my codo ass, like some people say, I don't want to put I haven't put in a 2-piece drive shaft yet, or call tracks. So, you know, I'm just hoping I don't. We're gonna send it, but hopefully, you know, hopefully my drive shaft doesn't blow, and if it blows, hopefully it's just my drive shaft and not my fucking drive shaft and my trans.
It's all good, dog. We got a trailer.
I mean, yeah, you got a trailer over there, but you know, damn, I'm already missing a shiny penny for all this because of my damn lifter going out, so I might as well cam it out. But yeah, we'll keep you all posted. I'll keep you all posted. Hopefully I get some video for some runs at the track, do some passes, some idle video after the cam, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see what's up. I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, we back. It's the following day. Got the truck up already. Got my boy Steven right there. I don't know what he doing. But the truck is pretty much done and installed. Go ahead and turn it on. I already tuned it, so it should start up no problems, hopefully. Got the laptop there and the HP tuners there. I was gonna record with this one. This one's mine, but it's fucking dead. So my buddy Ryan's hooking it up with his GoPro, and Steven over there working on the spike. I'm gonna turn this one on right now. As y'all know, I had a fucked up lifter and I drove it down, fucked up the cam, so they DOD delete with the Texas Speed Stage 4 cam. So well, shit, let me see if your remote starts. Oh, valiendo verga. It didn't work. You're gonna have to go ahead and mess with the fucking tune. See what the fuck is going on. Let me log this. Bitch, see what it's doing. So y'all say that if one thing that a lot of tuners won't show you, me, I'll show you, I don't care, whatever. What won't tell you is this. I probably just did a quick tune, threw it on there, it worked earlier. As you can see, it, as the second time that I cranked it, it actually turned on. A little hesitated, but it turned on. Still gotta mess with it. Right now it's about, the fueling is fine. The AFR is about 14 isolating, but it's fine right there. It should be 14.7, but as long as it's like in the 14, you're good. So yeah, let me go on that side so y'all can hear the cam from the outside. But yes, I will have to mess with it more to get it start up fine. But yeah, let me go check. Y'all hear another rattle? Is my exhaust is loose somewhere. So right there it went away. I have to see where it's loose from so we could go ahead and it won't move somewhere, the exhaust, make that other rattling noise. But yeah, we'll go ahead and see. Gotta mess with the tuning on start. startup, and then take it to the track, see what I hit, and hopefully nothing happens. I am on a one piece. Hopefully my drive shaft doesn't break, but probably will. But I'll have some footage of that as well.